Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing the new Morphe AL Lo-Fi Sculp Shimmer Palette. This is a contouring and highlighting palette that is available now at Morphe stores and online. The palette retails for $25 and you're able to use affiliate codes that will save you some money. The packaging of this palette is the same packaging as their most recent releases. It's a matte black palette with a snap closure and it does include a good quality mirror. In the palette you get 8 shades, 4 contour shades and 4 are highlighting shades. This palette is recommended for fair and medium skin tones. They do have 2 versions of this palette. The other palette, which is the 8H Hi-Fi palette, is recommended for tan and deep skin tones. Both of the palettes do share 2 contour shades, which are Donut and Debutante. Debutante is actually a single bronzer that you could purchase separately for $6. This palette includes 2 highlights that Morphe already carries as a single compact, and those 2 shades are Lit and Stardust. The other 2 highlights in the palette are exclusive to this palette, or at least they're not available as single compacts. If you're familiar with the Brontours, these contour shades feel like the same formula. They're very smooth and easy to blend. I did notice a very little kick up when using a brush to apply the product. For the highlighters, I would say they feel very creamy, and they also do feel like the same formula as their new single highlighters. Even though the highlighters in this palette are very light for my skin tone, they didn't show up chalky on my tan skin, which is something really good because that lets you know that they're not powdery. When testing these, I didn't have any issues with any of the shades. All of the contour shades were pigmented and blended smoothly. Same for the highlighters, they were very creamy and they were buildable. So let me know what you guys think about this palette. Are you guys planning on getting it? And I hope you guys find this video helpful, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.